Hello everyone, here's a short video to just show how to draw this basic part in AutoCAD. We won't put the dimensions in this video, just draw the white lines that you see here. Alright, so let's just get the general shape that I know this is 200, 200, and 400. Those are lines I know, so let's start drawing with that. Here's a blank drawing, so you can just start a new drawing here. And polyline or line, it doesn't necessarily matter. We can switch back and forth with join and explode anyway. So I'll click on polyline and just start anywhere I want. And now I'm going to I know this line is 200, so move my mouse in the horizontal direction and type 200. And now move it up, type in 200. And then move my mouse to the right, type in 400, and now the last point I need it to close. So make sure that the endpoint snap turns on, that green box, and click, and now hit escape. Okay, and there is the general shape that you see there. Now we just want a circle of diameter of 60, which means a radius of 30. And notice it's direct. The distance from this edge to the center is 200, which is also the distance of this bottom line here. So that means this circle is directly above this corner point here. All right, and it's a height of 100 above it. So let's see how to do that here. Let's make a circle. I'll type in circle, hit enter. Now the first point is the center of it. Well, how do I know it's directly above here? I want it 200 to the right and 100 above. How do I locate it? Well, I know this point, the circle is directly above there. So don't click, but just put your mouse on that point and then move your mouse up, and you'll see that green dotted line. That's tracking, right? It's tracking directly above that point. And then you can type a distance of how far you want to go above that point. So let's type in 100, hit enter, and now there is the center of the circle. And now it's wanting me to specify a radius, or you see that D right there, I could type in D, enter, and then type in the diameter, 60, hit enter. And there we have it. All right. So that's a short video showing you how to draw this piece here.